According to rumors, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 will have a larger display and a slimmer bezel than its predecessor. According to the most recent rumor, which comes from renowned tipster Ice Universe, the upcoming Samsung smartwatch will have an appearance that is very different from the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and much more similar to the Apple Watch. According to the leaker, Samsung will increase the display size for the Galaxy Watch 6 series from 1.4 inches on the 44mm Galaxy Watch 5 to 1.47 inches. Additionally, it stands to reason that such a change would have an even greater visual impact on the Galaxy Watch 6's diminutive model, which is anticipated to be around 40mm in size. Like when Apple reduced the size of the bezel for the Apple Watch Series 7, a feature that is still present on the Series 8. This may seem like a minor adjustment, but it would probably have a very noticeable impact. Even the appearance of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has flaws. It is advertised as being the more outdoor-ready of the two, but it doesn't really offer any of the rugged stylings you would anticipate, which seems like a bit of a missed opportunity. Samsung did, in our opinion, get a couple of appearance changes with the Watch 5 right, even though the pair could use a little more creativity in their appearance. The case sizes are now evenly distributed among 40mm, 44mm, and 45mm options, and the Pro model has been updated to be at least significantly more gender-neutral than the previous Galaxy Watch 4 Classic option. Even the most keen-eyed fans of smartwatches would have struggled to distinguish between the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5, so we're hoping the 6th generation models will feature bolder appearance changes. Naturally, there is nothing inherently wrong with maintaining a consistent appearance aesthetic, but even a slowly evolving product like the Apple Watch typically features significant appearance updates every generation. With the standard Galaxy Watch 5, we receive nothing of the sort. The display on these more recent Apple Watch models is practically edge-to-edge. And this would seem like an obvious and required upgrade, given that Samsung's current and previous watches have quite a chunky bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 may have a curved display like the Google Pixel Watch, according to a previous rumor, suggesting that Samsung may take appearance cues from other smartwatches besides the Apple Watch. Even though this most recent hint seems to fit with what we're anticipating, there are still a lot of details that are unknown at this point. For instance, it's unclear whether the change will affect the Galaxy Watch 6's standard model, the anticipated Pro model, or both. The watches are now Android-only affairs as a result of Samsung's return to Wear OS, mirroring Apple's exclusive strategy. Although we can understand why companies would want to keep a smartwatch experience closely connected to a particular smartphone, it still seems like a mistake on the part of Samsung and Google to make Samsung exclusive features accessible through the Galaxy Watch. Some of these features can be bypassed, but given that the Health Monitor app gives access to blood pressure monitoring and ECG readings, it is a significant omission that it is unavailable to other Android users. While the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can maintain its battery life for 2 to 3 days while using the majority of its features, the 44mm and 40mm Galaxy Watch 5 frequently have trouble lasting past the second day. We're really hoping Samsung's 40-hour estimate for the Galaxy Watch 6 increases to 50 or 60 hours, because that would be a huge improvement over, say, the Google Pixel Watch, which struggles to last around 24 hours. Even with the use of GPS tracking, sleep monitoring, and utilizing some of those health features, it should comfortably last 2 whole days. What impact this might have on the Galaxy Watch 6's rumored return of the rotating bezel is also unknown. And since an official announcement isn't anticipated until August, we still have a few months before all of these rumors are confirmed. But between now and then, we anticipate that things will start to look a little clearer, so keep checking back for the most recent information. Samsung recently edged out Apple by including a temperature sensor in the Galaxy Watch 5 series, but it's fair to say that it hasn't yet shown to be a game-changing innovation. Natural Cycles, which has received FDA approval, and Samsung have partnered, so we should also see it on the Galaxy Watch 6. We haven't tested it yet, so let's hope it meets our expectations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.